Hello everyone, I am Mariam and you are watching One India News. When the Kochi Metro hired 23 transgenders as ground staff, it was hailed as a progressive step not just in India but across the globe. It was the first time a government-run entity in India hired transgenders as employees. However, within days, reports have emerged that the transgender employees have started quitting their jobs even before getting their first salary. Not because they were not satisfied with the jobs, but due to the social stigma that refused to go away even in a progressive society like Kerala. 9 out of 23 transgender staffers had stopped reporting to work as it became difficult for them to find accommodation. Transgenders working in ticketing operations get approximately 10,400 per month, while the housekeeping staff are paid 9,000, which they complain was too less to survive as not many people were willing to rent them accommodations. Some who were living in rented facilities said that after their identity was revealed, neighbors raised objection on them staying in the area, which forced them out. With no one willing to rent them a house, many were forced to live in hotels or lodges where the daily rent was in thousands. The Kochi Metro Rail Limited has now decided to provide housing facility for the transgender employees who cannot find accommodation. And it seems to have worked. Now, with the tension of finding an accommodation off their shoulders, they want to stay back and continue working. Well, we hope with more awareness, the stigma attached to transgenders will gradually fade away. That's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.